Good morning, everyone. In previous lecture, we had solved two examples. Among them, in first example, we kept the scrap value constant as 200 rupees. And in the second example, which is this one, in this example, we have changed the scrap value over the years. As the year passes, the scrap value of the existing worth is getting reduced. So from 16,000, starting of the scrap value, it is being reduced up to 10,000. So we have solved that two types of example, wherein in the example one, the scrap value is constant, which is 200 rupees, which is being constant for all over the 8 years. And in the second example, the scrap value is getting reduced from starting from 16,000 to the 10,000 rupees. Okay, so these are the two categories of the example that we have solved. And for that, let me explain in brief regarding the second example for a quick revision, and then I will give you one example to solve. Now, for the scrap value for the first year is 16,000, and up to fifth year it is getting in decreasing order. It is decreasing up to 10,000 rupees, and the maintenance cost for the first year is 10,000. Likewise, you can see up to 1, 2, 3, and 4 fifth year, and the capital cost for that example has been given of 21,000. And for that we have solved this numerical, wherein we come to know that at wherein in this case the cost after fourth year, which is 4075, average cost after fourth year is getting increased. So after 4075, for the fifth year the average cost is being increased to 4460 rupees. So what we said, that we concluded that after fourth year the machine should be replaced. Okay, so that is what that entire example is. Now I would like to share one example for you for the practice session. So you have to solve this and you have to answer this. I will display the answer at the end, and I will consider only the attendance of those who are putting the answer. So start solving the example. For this case, the cost of machine is 6,100 rupees and the scrap value is only 100 rupees. The maintenance cost are found to be, for 8 years, you can see from 100 rupees it is kept on increasing up to 2,000 rupees for the 8th year. And we have to find out at when the machine should be replaced. Okay, so start filling up the tables and find out the years at which we have to replace the machine. Start solving. If you find any doubts or difficulties, just put that on chat box, or you can unmute your mic and you can share queries. We will be solving that queries, but all of you have to solve this example within 10 minutes of span. Can anyone tell me what is the average cost for the first year? Hello? I need the average cost for the first year. Yes, it is right, Bhavya. It is 6100. Now, similar way, yes, to less, it is exactly 6100. Similar way, find out the average cost for all the years and give me the answer of at which year we supposed to change the machine. Hello. Okay. Now see, let me calculate it. Bhavya, you are the right. Your answer is correct. Now let me solve it for the others. At first year, the running cost is 100. So cumulative would be addressed since it is the first year. Scrap value is given in data and it is 100 rupees and it is constant for all over the years. Okay, so I have put it for all the years. I have put it the value of scrap value. Then depreciation cost would be the total cost, which is 6,100 minus scrap value. So it is the difference between these two, scrap value and capital cost. So it is 600. Okay, so it is 600. The total cost would be the depreciation cost plus running cost. So it is 6,100. So for first year, it is 6,100 divided by 1, which is 6,100. Now for the next year, we have to add these two costs. So it is 100 plus 250, which is 350. So 350 and 100 is the scrap value. Depreciation cost would be the 6,000, as capital cost and scrap value remains same for all over the years. So it is 6,000 plus 350, which is 6350. But here the number of year we are using for the machine, that is 2. That is why that average cost is 6350 divided by 2. So it is 6350 divided by 2, which is equivalent to 3175. So it is 3,175 rupees. Now, can anybody tell me the answer for the third year? For the third year, the running cost would be total 750. So here we have to enter the value 750. So let me enter that value 750. And yes, the answer is right for Parth and Prashant. And to less, it is 2250 rupees. Now for the fourth year, I supposed to add up all these 4 years, which is 1350. So it is 1350. So if I'm entering it, the answer is 1838. So the average cost is kept on decreasing. Average cost for the first is 6100. For the next year it is 300, 3175. Third year it is 2250, and for the fourth year it is 1838 rupees. So it is kept on decreasing. So we have to calculate for the next year, and the cumulative for total 5 year running cost would be total of the 5 years, which is 2250. 2250. Okay. So for the next year it is 1650. Then for the sixth year we have to add up all this. So the total is 3500. So it is 3500. Again it is kept on decreasing all these values. So 1650, then 1583. Then after, let me add for the seventh year, which is 5100. So total 7th year's running cost is 5100. Now if I'm applying this, now it says that the average running cost is 1586. So from the graph, it changes behavior. So after 6th year, we must change the machine, as after that the average cost per year is kept on increasing. Okay. So is there any doubt within this example? Is there any doubt in this example? Otherwise we are going to start the next example. I hope that everyone is getting the same answer, that after 6th year the machine must be replaced, or machine should be replaced. And similarly for the last year, if we check, it is 7100. So again the graph is on now increasing order, but it is not necessary to calculate since we are getting the change of pattern. So the 6th year would be fine. Okay. Now let me share the next category of example, which is our second mode. In second mode, in the first mode, it is the aging of the machine. Aging of machine means every machine is getting deteriorating over the usages over the so many years. So it means that every machine gives lesser average next year and year by year. So that it kept on decreasing in that sense. Now the next example is related to the comparison of two machines. Okay, so that is what our second mode of the example is, wherein we are comparing existing machine with the older one and we are replacing based on that decision. So let us start with the case one. Just read the data first, then we will start explaining. let us start with the case 1. Machine A cost is 36,000, so its capital value is 36,000. Annual operating cost is 800 rupees for the first year, and then it is on increasing order by 8,000 every year. Okay, so its running cost is kept on increasing by 800 rupees. So let us say, if we talk about for the first year it is 800, and for the next year, as it says in the data, that 8,000 every year, that maintenance or running cost is kept on increasing. So for the second year, the cost would be 8,800. Okay, now can anybody tell me what would be the value at the third year? Running or maintenance cost for the third year, what that would be? No, you are getting me wrong. What I said, that for the first year, running or maintenance cost is 800 rupees. Okay, and in that cost, in running or maintenance cost, there is an increment of 8,000 rupees year by year. Okay, so for the first year, running cost is 800 rupees. For the second year, 800 plus 8,000, which is 8,800 rupees. For the third year, how much it is to be increased? 8,000. So it is 8,800 plus 8,000 more. So it is 16,800. Nice, Prashant, you are right. And Bhavi and Tulas, we have to correct a little bit. Okay. So let me show you on the Excel sheet. Okay. Now for the first year, see in this data, we have not been given the table. So we have to prepare. In previous examples, we were being given the scrap value and maintenance cost table, but here we are not given, but we are given in the data by that this maintenance cost is kept on increasing by 8,000 rupees every year, which means कि आपने 8,000 रुपया every year add करवा पड़से. Okay. Now for the second year, it is 800 plus 8,000. Okay. So that is that one. Now in this, it is 800 plus 8,000 for the second year and 8,000 for the third year. So it is 16,800 rupees. Now it is 800 for first year, 8,000 for second year, 8,000 for third year, and 8,000 for the fourth year. So it is 24,800 rupees for the fourth year, and for the fifth year it is it is like previous year plus 8,000. We can do it in the same way also. And so for the sixth year, it is 40,800 rupees exactly. Okay. Yes, your reply are correct, Prashant. Now let me paste this value in here in the table. So for the first year, the running cost is 800 and cumulative cost would be 800 in the same manner. In the data we have been given that there is the scrap value is 0. Okay, so the scrap value, I have to put the scrap value is 0. Now depreciation cost, it means the difference of capital cost minus scrap value, which is 0. So it remains same as of capital cost. It is 36,000. Total cost would be the column which is depreciation cost 36,000 for the first year plus the running cost, which is 800. So it is 36,800, and for this it is total cost divided by the number of years by which we are calculating. So it is divided by the number of year. So it is first year, so it is 1. So the for the first year it is 36,800 for the first year. Now similar way, let me calculate it for the second year in the same way as of we are doing in the case of aging of machine, which is model 1. This is model 1, but first part will be solved by model 1, then we will be introducing model 2. Now in the second case, for the second year, the cost is 8800. Cumulative cost would be how much? It is 8800 plus the previous year, which is 9600. Scrap value is 0. Now for all these years, I would say all these remain scrap value. Sorry, scrap value will remains same. So there is no need to change. Just we are calculating this. Now this would be how much? It is the summation of 36,000 plus 96,000. So it is the summation of 36,000 and 9600. So the total is 45,600 rupees. And for this we have to calculate 45,600 divided by the second, which is second year. So the average cost would be 22,800 rupees. Now similarly calculate up to sixth year. Similarly solve it up to sixth year. I will be giving a name and for that person will give the answer. Calculate for all the years and find out at when we have to replace the machine. If you have any doubts, you can put that on chat box. Yes, anyone facing any doubts? Otherwise, I will be calling a name and I will be marking the attendance one by one. So I will give the name and who will give me the answer. Okay, not all the answer, but I will be asking for the year-wise answer. Okay, let me start with the Humil Kadecha. What is the average cost for the third year? Humil Kadecha 17 series 42. Next is Yes Gotecha. Yes, can you give me the answer of third year average cost? Yes, Abhishek Agrawat. Double Savani. Double, are you there? For the third year, double. Yes, it is, the answer is right, it is 20,800. Okay, now for the fourth year, who will answer? Yes, Parth, Dhaval, your answers are right. For Abhishek, it is, now I need for the fourth year. Yes, Prashant, what you are saying? Cumulative
Sir,
cost 5.
fourth year total is 87,200,
For which
and
for which year you are talking about?
fourth year,
Okay.
and that is 21,800 average.
Yeah.
May I say the fifth one?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, for the fifth one, total is 1,20,000,
Total.
and average would be 24,000. That's 30 to 800, 84,000 cumulative.
So 84,000. And yes, Nausad,
Yeah.
the last year. Yes, it is right. It is 26,800 rupees. Okay. So can anybody share your views at which year the machine should be changed? The machine must be changed at the third year, since the cost of the since the cost for the fourth year is getting increasing after it reaches to 20,800 rupees. So, and the cost for the first year is getting increased by 1,000 rupees, which is 21,800 rupees. So it keeps on increasing. So we must change the machine at the third year. After using of the third year, the machine must be changed. Now, so that is the only case for machine A. So this entire scenario stands for machine A only. Now let us understand the second part of the data. Let me show you the data. Now for the case 2, now we are having machine B, and the capital cost is 40,000. For case A, the cost is 36,000. So this case, in case 2, the machine B is little bit costlier than that of the case 1, and it is 40,000. So the difference is 4,000. So machine A karta machine B is costly by 4,000. 4,000 rupiya hongu છે. Annual operating cost is around 1,600 rupees for the first year. Okay, in case of for machine A, the annual operating cost for the first year was 800 rupees, but for case B it is 1,600 rupees for only for first year, and it kept on increased by 3,200 rupees every year. So the machine B is having little bit lesser maintenance cost year wise. In case A, the it was 8,000 rupees, which is for this we can say that it is lesser than half. Okay, you now have a machine type of A which is 1 year old. Should you replace it with B? If so, when? Assume both the machines. So we will be solving case 2 first, then we will be finding out what would be the best choice out of this two. Now let me get back to you to the Excel sheet, wherein the cost for the first year, maintenance or running cost or operation cost is 1,600 for first year, and it is having increment of 3,200 rupees for the upcoming years. So prepare the table like this. So first year it is 1600. For the next year it is 1600 plus 3200, which is the increment value. And in 4800 again it is kept on increasing 32. So it is like 1600 plus 3200. It is like 1600 plus 3200 for second year and 3200 for third year. Likewise, adding 3200 in third year course would be the next one, and adding 3200 in the fourth year would be the fifth one, and adding again 3200 in the previous year would be the next one. So similarly, we can fill out the table. Like for the first year, it is 1600. Now, can anybody tell me the year at which we have to change machine B? We will be solving these example again as the part A, or we can say aging of machines. Then we will compare it, and I will give you the justification at what time it is better to replace the machine. So similarly, fill out this table and let me know the time period at when we have to change the machine B. Right now we are not comparing with machine A. Okay, so just find out the year. This time I need answer from the person who are not interacting. So make sure that you are participative. You're not here just for the attendance purpose, but make sure that you are participative. And I need some new faces who answers. Yes, Ravi, what is your question? Well, so these are the values that you can see, running cost and cumulative cost. Since the scrap value is 0 for all over the years, I must be putting it 0. And the depreciation cost is capital cost minus the scrap value, which remains same as since the scrap value is 0. So let me add that 40,000 for all these years. Now let me compare the answer which I am getting on the chat box. Depreciation cost will not increase mere since the scrap value is 0. If the scrap value keeps on increasing, then it would be changing. Otherwise, it would remain cost constant, and it will be equivalent to the capital cost since the scrap value is 0. Okay. So we can say that at the 5th year, the machine B should be replaced. At the 5th year, the machine B should be replaced, as the average cost as 5th year is 16,000, and for the 6th year it is 16,216.7. So the behavior of the graph is getting changed once it crosses from 5th year to the 6th year. Okay. Now what we have to find out is that, let me show you the data for that. We have to find out which machine should be replaced if we are procuring the machine B after using the machine A for the first year, which means that एक वर्ष machine A use करसु after using of machine A for a year, then we are planning to purchase machine B, and for that we are having that the data that we have sold. Okay, so after 1 year usage of machine type A, and then after we have the planning for machine B, so at what time I should be replacing machine A with machine B. Okay, and for that, this is the solution. Now can anybody tell me from this comparison that we have to replace machine A at what time compared to the data of the machine B? Unmute your mic and answer, please. Do not put that on chat book, just answer by unmuting your mic. You can unmute your mic on your own. The question is that we have used machine A. We have used machine A for 1 year. We have used machine A for 1 year. Now, after 1 year usage of time, the one manufacturer come to the machine shop and displays the data for machine B, statistical data of machine B. And for that, I'm having calculation for machine A as well as I'm having calculation of machine B. So if my industry is having machine A existing and I've used it for a year, then at the next year, the vendor for machine B come to the company and ask to change the machine A. So should I change? Yes or no? And if I wanted to change, at what time it is better to change?
No, sir. No, not changing the
Please tell
machine.
your name first, then answer it.
Hello, sir. Mihir. I am Mihir.
Yes, Meher. Please answer it.
Sir, 1 year for the machine would not be as reliable to change.
After, it means that you are saying that after first year usage, machine A should be replaced with machine B. Am I right?
No, sir.
Then
After 2 or more years.
after 2 or more years, why is that so? After 2 years, why?
Because, sir, the machine A would be as it is for 1 year. No, not so much depreciation cost or any maintenance cost would be there.
Okay, good. Okay. So far we are just saying that after third year onwards, after third year onwards, the machine can be changed. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is what we are saving it now. Okay, that's it from your side. Now, can anyone counteract the answer?
Sir, this is Arvind.
Yes, Arvind.
Sir, after 2 years, the average cost will be, after 3 years, the average cost will be increasing.
Okay.
So after 3 years, we can change to machine B.
No, that won't be correct exactly. But we are just recording your opinion. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anyone else would like to add anything into it? Okay. Now let me clarify. We have calculated machine A data, not comparing to any other machines, but we have calculated this entire data of machine A comparing to years. So what it says that at third year, okay, the average cost is 20,800 rupees, and for the next year it keeps on increasing. So it is advisable to change machine A with machine A itself. Okay, so that is 20,800, and third year amount is for machine A itself only. Is that clear? Now, for machine B, what we have calculated, see, these are the data for aging of the machine, and wherein what we have calculated the running cost, cumulative cost, and other cost is, and we have find out the average cost. And for that, what we got that at fifth year, the average cost is 16,000, and after that period of time, the average cost per year is kept on increasing. So it is advisable to change the machine B after fifth year with machine B itself. So while calculating machine A and calculating machine B, we are not comparing anything with respect to each other, but we are finding out the results over the years. Okay, so that is what up to that. Now, what the data, it says that after I'm having machine A, and after 1 year usage of machine A, okay, if I'm having the opportunity to purchase second machine, which is maybe technological advancement or what, so if I wanted to replace machine A with the other machine, then at what time it is advisable to change? Now for that, we do not compare the average cost for both of the machine, because it is not advisable. Now what we have to find out, that 16,000 is my average cost for this machine at fifth year. At fifth year, I'm getting average cost is 16,000 per year. Now we have to compare this average cost with the maintenance cost. Okay, so for this machine, first year maintenance cost is 800. For the next year, it is 8,800, and after third year, the maintenance cost is increasing for machine A compared to machine B, the average cost. Okay, so maintenance cost of machine A is greater than the average cost of machine B. So it is advisable to replace machine A with machine B. Why? Because the maintenance cost is higher than that of the average running cost of the machine B. So it is advisable to change the machine A rather than using, if we are using the machine A for the third year, then I have to spend 800 rupees compared to 16,000 rupees average cost. Now if I am using machine A for the fourth year, then I have to put a very high burden of around rupees 8 to 9,000 rupees. So I have to spend extra. So if I purchase the machine B, okay, now for that the maintenance cost is lesser, and that's why the average cost is getting lower. So it is advisable to change the machine A with machine B at the age of or after the usage of second year. Now if you have any doubt within this, unmute your mic and discuss. I will answer you. So at the end of the example, you have to reply that running cost of machine A is higher than that of the average running cost of machine B for the third year. So it is advisable to change the machine at second year, replacing machine A by machine B at the second year. So that is the entire example is. Unmute your mic if you are having any doubt. Okay, else you can put your enrollment number, space, name. That's it from my side. Have a nice day. We will be getting back on the next lecture.